Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the eufy S2. If you're interested in the S2, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, let's pop off the cover here at the top, and we're going to remove the dustbin.
Dustbin removed.
You'll get a voice prompt. So on the dustbin, we actually have care instructions right here showing you how to wash and rinse everything out. So this is a washable filter. So wash and rinse that out as needed. And it just pops right off, if you can see that there. Just grab it from both sides and just pull it out. Now this cap's a little bit trickier to get out. You got to twist it and then just pull. Twist and pull, but you can wash and rinse all of this. Just give it a good amount of time in the sun. I'd give it like 24 hours to dry. And there's this little tab here that has to go right down in there. So arrow force, and then just twist it back to the red, kind of. Not the easiest, but you'll get the hang of it, and then you'll see how that goes back into lock in place. And you can snap the filter back on. So very easy to wash and rinse the dustbin out. Next, we have our air fragrance section. So at this point, if yours is empty or not noticing any fresh smells anymore, you can pop a new cartridge in. Very easy to do. You just pull it out. So this is what they look like. This one's brand new. Smells very nice. But it has this eufy top. You just put that right there facing up. It doesn't really even snap or anything. It just rests in there, and the cover does the rest. But that's it for the top of the vacuum. Looking at the side, grab a microfiber cloth if needed to wipe down the sensors there. We'll keep rotating it around. On this side, charging contacts, and then we have a removable dirty water tank. So we just press those two buttons to pull and remove that. And then we have 3 areas that we can open up if you want to rinse those out. They just pop right out. Same with this one, so just grab and pull, right? You can check for any debris. But here's the main one with your instructions for rinsing out. The lid opens up. So that's how you're going to want to clean the dirty water tank. But you can access the other two as well, and you can wipe and rinse that down. With that off, you can see the underside here with the mop roller. We can release that when it's time to replace. Just pops and presses right out. And even if you don't want to replace it every once in a while, you might want to wash and rinse this off and just gently wipe this down. Don't rinse it, right? But you could rinse this off. You could throw this in your washing machine for a deeper clean. If you got any hair and debris building up in there, that's where you're going to do that. And then it just snaps right back in place. Red button to release. And then just line that back up. And it just snaps and clips right in. Same thing with the dirty water tank. Just line that up. And then gently press it back in place. Make sure your lid is all the way down. And that just snaps right in too. And on this side, another sensor you can wipe down. On the underside, 2 Phillips head screws if you want to replace the side brushes once they've worn out. You can see the extending side brush here. If you have any debris in there, it will force itself back if your vacuum's on. Multiple sensors along the side, right? So you can make sure those are free from any obstruction. Compressed air would be your best friend. And then the main brush roller here, if you need to replace them or for any reason to get access in there, they just kind of slide right out. So press it in and then pull it up. Press it in, pull it up. And you can get access in there. And then you can just gently put that back. But if you have it up like this, then you can just pull it out to swap these off. You can even rinse it out if you wanted to. If it's worn out, then you want to put a new one on. That's how you're going to do that for their brush roller system. And then that just snaps right back in. So it's very easy to clean and maintain your eufy S2.